Hey, what is going on, crypto people? Happy Saturday. In fact, happy Memorial Day weekend to each and every one of you. What an exciting time to be an early adopter in this new asset class that is the digital asset space. Holy freaking moly. Listen, we're going to go over the numbers because the market is doing what the freaking market does. I think we're going to listen to a little bit of Raoul Paul as well. Paul Gruel had some stuff. It kind of confirms what our guy, Jay Korn, was saying in the live stream last night. If you didn't check that out, you want to check that live stream out. Check out Jay Korn's comments. Very, very interesting stuff. We're going to go over more stuff on Crypto X, and we're going to share a little post from Crypto Eddie about KOLs, key opinion leaders in the XRP community. We'll get into that for a little bit as well. And we'll end on a little bit of a humorous note. So listen, guys, this is your XRP Ripple daily news in around 0 to 10 minutes. So let's do this. Bitcoin, well, the total cryptocurrency market cap is 2.7 trillion, according to CoinGecko. Bitcoin dominance is at 50% or so. Bitcoin is trading at $68,979 again. Ethereum is trading at $3,741 again. Excuse me. Solana is trading at $167 again. And XRP, the beloved XRP, is trading at 53 cents. Listen, family, the market is just doing what the market does. See this MAGA hat up here, up 86%. Like the thing just got launched like 3 days ago, 2 days ago. It's up 300%. Be interesting to see if that's worth a few dollars, if that's worth a few dollars there. Interesting. What else we got going on the market? Anything else? Look, double figure greens on the 7-day. I love it for some stuff, but we got to get to that 3 trillion. Looks like Pepe, looks like the not real Pepe is just continuing to do his thing. It's at a $6 billion market cap. And I guess people expect that it's going to get to the Shiba Inu, right? 14 billion. It's going to get to the Doge at 24 billion in terms of the market cap. But there it is. It's Pepe. I'm going to hang out with what I think is going to shock a lot of people, and that is actually Pepe Coin. Not financial advice, just sharing with you guys what I am going with. I think that is going to be figured out, right? Once that's figured out, we'll know. Well, it looked like Cordell from the Bitcoin layer, kind of the Bitcoin layer 2 kind of thesis. It's up 28% on a 7-day. Interesting stuff. And of course, the RWAs are doing their stuff. Ondu, again, is kind of doing this thing there for sure. Ondu Finance up 27% on the 7-day. Market family is just doing what the market does. So Paul Gruel put this out. It's very, very interesting. And again, this is exactly what Jay Korn from the channel was saying. According to the SEC, an ecosystem without any contract or undertaking can qualify token transactions as securities. But that same SEC has now effectively said that ETH sales can't be securities because ETH ETFs may be registered by funds with an S1. So ETH must not have an ecosystem any more than Bitcoin. But 12 other tokens do? He said, you got all that? And Tony from Thinking Crypto probably sums it up best. He says, Gary's making it up as he goes. He probably thinks the orange at the supermarket of securities because of how it. Making it up as he goes is without a doubt. Guys, highly recommend you guys check out this video from Raoul Paul on the Everything Code. Listen to it again, listen to it again. It'll answer a lot of questions because it also comes with some answers to the dilemma that is going on. And I think the more and more of the digital assets investors are aware, the crypto investors, the more we know, the digital asset investor, the more we know, the better we are. Take a listen to this.
Most people don't realize diversification is dead. And it sounds like this is a crazy idea, but this is going to give you the full understanding. Liquidity is everything. It is increasing on a globalized level at 8% a year. You can also add in 3 or 4% global inflation.
Yeah, hopefully I'm going to strike on this.
12% hurdle rate. That is staggeringly difficult to beat. But if you don't, your asset allocation is going to make your future self poorer. The thesis that I'm about to outline is also based on the fact that once I started digging into the debasement trends, I realized there is two and only two massive secular trends. One is cryptocurrency. This is the log chart of Bitcoin, which over time, as we know, has produced since 2012 alone, 20 million% return. The other mega trend is the Nasdaq. These are secular trends that are outperforming everything. These are the two key assets that matter to me when I'm talking about portfolio allocation, because everything else is actually secondary. Most people don't realize.
It's good stuff from Ralph. I've listened to like the first 45 minutes of that. It's a 2-hour education. 2-hour education. Highly, highly recommend it. So David Liu says this. It's an interesting point. Again, you know, how we feel about Hugo Filion and the team over at Flare Networks. He says, I've always felt that the Flare Network may have been tasked with building the future rails of Web3. Like they're going to be the IP layer of the new internet. They know it. Their investors know it. But we're not allowed to know it yet. But we kind of do, don't we? It's good stuff. Listen, Crypto Eddie shared this post here, and I agree with her. People just everyone gets up in their feelings really, really quick. And they miss the message a lot of times. David Schwartz has said it, and I'll say it again. He just recently said it at the XRP Las Vegas event, which is a big time value add to the XRP community. This is what he said. Ripple is not going to solve the world's problems, and XRP is not going to solve the world's problems. People are misunderstanding my message, says Crypto Eddie, about the need for a shift in the KOL storytelling. As key opinion leaders, I call them the XRP entertaining content creators. XRP is essential, providing security and excels in its role as a gas token. While interoperability is key for the development of DeFi, tokenization, etc., smart contract-based blockchains like that of Ripple tokenization partner Zonix wraps the tokens to simplify the conversion between different token standards. Different token standards, the XRPL is a token standard, the ERCs are a different token standard. Enhancing accessibility and composability with the entire ecosystem. It's not about one token or one standard. Flare Networks, with their F assets, is another example of utilizing a variety of tokens, including Bitcoin, Doge, and XRP, trustlessly within the EVM smart contracts on Flare. The network technology is designed to enhance interoperability and enable new functionalities across different blockchain platforms. It's not about one token or one standard. She goes on here to say, also an excellent 55-page report from the OW Forum. Inside, the title of this is Inside the Competition for Big Money, How Tokenization and Digital Money may transform high-value payments and wholesale finance. The future is not about one token or one standard, and I couldn't agree with her more. That's why I say on the channel all the time, it's hugely important for XRP holders to get outside of the XRP bubble and learn what's going on. Ripple has pivoted in terms of focus more towards the asset XRP and more towards projects and work on the XRPL. That is without doubt. That's a fact. Not just with the AMM, with it, right? With this lending protocol as well. I think it's massive. They're focusing, really focusing on tokenization on the XRPL, and I think it can be a game changer for them, but more importantly, for the XRP holder. Ripple has done well already as being an XRP holder, but the vast majority of XRP holders have not done so great. All right, so let me end the video with something that I think is kind of funny, pretty Funny. By the way, I have that article, the forum article here by Oliver. I'm going to do a video on the impact and opportunity of tokenization. He says it will be significant. So I'm going to do a video on that. Looking forward to it. Crypto Eddie shared this video. It's it's funny. It's very cute. Check it out. It's from Algorand. It's interesting.
Oh, it failed. Hey, morning. Hello.
Hey, you guys take Bitcoin, right?
Sure do.
I'm gonna be paying with Ethereum, if that's okay.
Okay, yep, no problems.
Good thing I'm paying with Solana.
You can go ahead and tap.
And there we go.
Oh, it failed. Try it again. Oh, hold up there, smart. Looks like it's gonna be another 27 minutes before this transaction ends.
What? Sorry, $112. I have like 3 things.
Ethereum, they got that peak hour gas thing.
There you go.
Maybe one more time. What are you gonna do? Just wait right here, without the bag, without the bag.
I think it's gonna work this time.
Nope. Should have shot with Algorand.
How do I get in that line?
That's really good. Shout out to the team from Algorand. Gotta have a little fun for sure. All right, fam. Listen, this wraps up your XRP Ripple Daily News in around 0 to 10 minutes. I hope that it has been of value to you. If it has, do me a favor, hit that like button. And if you've been hanging out, you're part of that 50% of the people that have been hanging out, watching and listening to the Crypto Seeds and haven't subscribed to the channel. We'd like to get that 50% down to 25, 30%, right? So if you would subscribe to the channel, that would be super, super cool if you've been enjoying the Hangouts. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so that you know whenever we go live or whenever we upload a video. I'm going to end this one like I do all my videos and remind you guys of this. Old money doesn't want you to win. But that's okay, though, because you and I, we're already winning. And I would ask you to consider this, perhaps ponder the idea or notion of living your life permissionless. I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya. Bye.